Cue the montage! Cue the montage! Get you some of that!
So in the previous video, you guys saw us do the repair work to the Ranchhand replacement bumper that was involved in an accident of my father-in-law's. He told his Duramax and he got a new NBS style truck and wants to install the same bumper on his truck. So fortunately it was salvageable and we did the repair work and it turned out great, as good as it could for what we had going on. So in this video we're going to do the painting, taking it from rags to riches, and we're going to install it on his new 6-liter gas NBS truck that he bought to replace his Duramax. You know, it's a 3/4 ton truck. It's a decent replacement. The LS 6-liter engines are great, but his only complaint is it ain't a Duramax. You know, I completely understand. You go from a diesel to a gas, and they are not the same trucks. So either way, that's what we got going on. So we're gonna time lapse painting this deal, and then when I get back with you, we'll be installing it in the truck. All right, paint is done. So we got this beautiful paint job on here. Get all the glamour shot. Our repair almost is blended where you can't even notice it. Paint still got dry, it's wet. It'll flow out a little better. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but nonetheless, it is completely done. That black almost completely hides our seam here where we welded it back together there. All this doesn't stand out as bad with the paint on it. So that's what we're gonna go with, and let's get installed on the truck now. All right, so got my father-in-law over here today. We're going to install the rebuilt bumper on his GMC truck. It came off Chevrolet. He's got a GMC now. I don't know how much difference it is, what we're gonna have to modify in the grill area, but that should be it. The grill area might have to be modified a little bit. So we'll set you up and get to work on this deal. Alright, as you see, we've got the grill off, the original bumper's off. We have test fitted the replacement bumper, and this replacement bumper is actually off of a 2001 Duramax. This is a 07 Classic. The 01 was a Chevrolet, and this is GMC. So it looks like the bumper brackets welded to the factory frame are just slightly different. So let me show you the modifications we made. So what we had to do was, there's a cross brace here. We had to get rid of it, and then that allows the new bracket here to be able to slide back far enough. And then what we're gonna have to do is, because the mounting depth of the replacement bumper, this bracket's gonna have to be taken out about a ½ inch. So we're just gonna go right in here somewhere with a plasma cutter, make a notch and on both sides, and that allow the bumper to go back where it needs to get to the factory bolt holes, because we want to reuse this bolt hole. This pedestal here isn't as tall as the earlier 02, 01 Chevrolet for some reason. So once we get the bottom mounted in, we will figure out what we got to do here. Make a spacer with some 2-inch square tubing or something, and we'll drill a hole, space it, put a nut and bolt. It'll be good to go. So I'm gonna get this plastic cutter out and start going to work. Well, I say that's where it's hitting.
Well, that's
maybe
down,
cutting the wrong thing.
That's down there, but yeah.
Oh no, it was up here.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it was up there.
Way up there. It never, this one never made it to there yet. I don't know why this one up there. Yeah, very good. Yeah,
That's what it was. Oh, we need to take more out.
a little bit around
On the
that nut,
edges.
probably nut, almost that nut.
No, it's
Is that
we
it?
didn't go far enough over left and right. Yeah, see, we went back far enough. We just got to go all the way to the inside.
Insides need to be cut off. Okay.
Yeah, all the way to the inside. So our same line, it just needs to go over to the outside of the, or the inside of the bracket. Here, yeah, let me come out too with you. So we need to come
Right there.
over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come over and
See.
cut it. Oh yeah, we're lined up with the bolt hole down here.
Make the bottom one?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, it looks better that way.
Lined up at the bottom one. The bumper just needs to go up.
Yeah, it needs to come on up, don't it?
Yeah.
Maybe one more.
No.
That's about it.
That's about it.
That's all it
There's
needs.
4 bolts for the bottom, 2 on each side.
Uh-huh.
There's one right here. Right here.
Yes.
There's one on the bottom.
Oh, I forgot about the bottom one.
But I can't get.
Yeah,
I
that'll
don't have
hold
enough
it.
nuts
I got
for
some
2,
bolts at the house
so
even. I'll fix that even.
Yeah,
If I can
I'll
get
have-
underneath, I can get,
4
yeah.
will be enough right
I knew
now.
I couldn't get to these on the grill, but they got the grill in here.
Yeah. Yeah, you just need
But yeah, this will work perfect there, man. The spacer was a good job too.
Yeah. Very clean?
Yeah.
Alright, so can you put that one on the inside? And
Yeah.
then we'll take.
You got a gun
Yeah, I'll have to get
or
it.
whatever.
Well, we'll just use regular. Because if you're going to change them.
Yeah. Well, these are all right, I think. Even.
Okay.
I mean, they got it bolted together. Hell, they'll be all right. I mean, I can get a long bolt plumb through the frame, but I don't see that. It looks like these holds it better than the one all the way through the frame.
I don't think all the way through the frames though.
It'd be loose on there.
Because it'd be loose all the time.
Uh huh.
There you go. Just want to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's good. Shit.
That's good. Read you? Okay. You're on, Terry.
Huh?
I don't think you're on. Yeah, you're not on.
Well, I'm looking at it. Dude.
No, you're not.
What?
You need to go forward, brother. Yeah, you're on the wrong nut. You're on the factory nut. There you go.
I couldn't see that other one. There's one up here.
Yeah.
Above that flange. It looked like a right one. You feel it? Golly, Dustin, you gotta twist it off.
That's what I wanted to see.
You got a good layer of paint on her. Good job.
She's thick.
Yes, I like that.
If you want to cut the top piece of that, you can. Ain't far from it. I mean, kind of we did make it go on there. We cut and grinded.
Got her back together.
Man, don't take long.
We didn't make too big a mess.
We'll move your truck and it'll clean that up.
What to do with these stupid things? You need these or anything?
No, they're yours.
Well,
Yeah, I'm sure you'll use them for something.
take these lights out sometime if I can. Well, heck, that'll help. They're on mounts of their own.
Yeah.
Gee. Just might need those little flanges we cut off back on there. Oh, darn. Darn it. Good job.
Yeah, I'm glad this is done.
Yes, I wouldn't mind body it.
Yeah, bother me.
You done good.
Alright. Man, it's amazing how little modification that took to make that work.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. We folded her. You got her folded right around there good, buddy. Yeah. Good job here.
Yeah.
Real good job.
All right, so that is going to end it for this. You guys seen us doing a little bit of modification to make this early NBS 99 to, I'm going to assume 03, 02 bumper fit on the 03 to 07 Classic truck. It really went really easy considering, you know, Just a little bit of modifications.
Made a lot better looking truck.
So,
Looks like a farm truck.
yeah, so here it is. This, like I said, this came off a Chevrolet. And it doesn't fit perfect. Like in here, you can tell this was designed for the earlier Chevrolet grill, maybe earlier GMC. We had to modify this so this grill would set back. But other than that, it fits real tight. That's going to end it for this. Thanks for tuning in, and catch y'all in the next one.